Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to allocate the cards machine transfers or the card machine transactions coming straight into the bank against the the relevant invoices and also the miscellaneous invoices. So first of all, what we're going to do is on the business dashboard we're going to go to reconcile 39 items or however many items there may be each day for the current account. So we'll click that, which takes you to the unreconciled transactions in Xero. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the first FDMS payment, which will be, and obviously you're going to do them each day. So when you come across them, you would allocate them at that point. So we write up to date at this point. So here we've got this FDMS payment here. So there's no matching rule set up for this because we're going to do this manually. So first of all, what we need to do is find the the list of or the amount of slips which will be on given to you guys from the girls downstairs. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click find and match. And first of all, we're going to find the invoices which it relates to. So I'm not going to go ahead and do this one, but let's assume that Impact Plastering was one of the transactions in there. So you would simply tick that, and this Bishop Auckland St Mary's may be another one. So we'll tick that as well. So those two transactions come to £160.20. as you can see, but there's obviously £130 which is more than likely going to be miscellaneous shop sales. So in this instance what we need to do is click new transaction and receive money, and when it eventually loads, and we're going to keep it as a direct payment. So we would change it from, and we would say MISC sales or MISC shop, whichever you want. Click that. We're going to select the date which it applies to, and then we simply fill out the details down here. So again, we've got these two items, a bit like cash sales, where MISC workwear, which is Xero rated sales. We've got miscellaneous shop, so you could have them both. And then all I need you to do is to put in the amounts. So we could say £100 for that. Remember that's always changed to tax inclusive, and £30 and 42 for that. I'm going to change the drop down box to clothing, and then you can see that the VAT is accounted for correctly, the net amount or the subtotal is accounted for, and the total comes back to the correct amount which will be on the slips. You would save that, and you can see here that you've got three types of transactions. Because they all reconcile, you simply press OK, and that reconciles it. But I'm not going to do this because obviously I don't have the examples, and I'll simply delete those. So hopefully that's been clear enough for you. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call.